In NTA NEET 2019, in physics paper, motion in a straight line, only one problem is given, and that problem is about stopping distance. So stopping distance is given in page 50 and example is 3.7. So here this formula is there. So directly stopping distance ds is equal to minus v naught square minus v naught square by 2a is given. This formula is given in NCERT text. So this formula is derived or given in NCERT. So based on this, one problem is given to us. So here the question is consists of, so body is traveling along the inclination, along the inclined plane. See here, so if the object is here, G will be downwards, this angle will be theta. So otherwise I will show here once again. This one, if this angle is theta, this angle will be theta. So this is G, so this will be G cos theta and this will be G sin theta. So this is downward and the body is moving upward. So we have to consider negative sign. So ds is equal to, initial velocity is given as something else, minus v naught square by minus 2 into g sin theta. For g sin theta I have taken minus, that came outside. So this minus get cancelled. So here see, now let us read the question now. When an object is shot from the bottom of a long smooth inclined plane kept at an angle 60 degrees with horizontal, it can travel a distance x1 along the plane. See, if the angle is theta 1 is 60 degrees, distance is given as x. So, but when the inclination is decreased to 30 degrees, means theta 2 is 32 degrees, then the distance is x. And the same object is shot with the same velocity. So, velocity is same. It can travel x2 distance. Then x1 by x2 is how much? See here, I can write this, v is constant and g is constant, 2 is constant. So, this is proportional to sin theta. So, ds is inversely proportional to sin theta. So, directly you can write x1 by x2 is equal to sin theta 2 by sin theta. So, sin theta 2 is how much? 30 degrees. Theta 1 is 60 degrees. So, sin 60 degrees. What is the value of sin 30? Half. And it is root 3 by 2. So, 2 by root 3 it will become. So, it is 1 by root 3. So, what is the answer? See how simple they are giving in NEET examination. So, try to understand the concepts. Thoroughly prepare NCERT textbook. That is like Bible or Ramayana or Mahabharata और भगवत गीता और कुरान. आप जो भी समझना है समझ लीजिएगा. बहुत ही आसान क्वेश्चंस दे रहा है, डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस दिया है 2019 पेपर में. सिमिलरली 2019 उड़ीसा का पेपर भी हम चालू करेंगे. थैंक यू, बाय.